Corporate 101. Pay attention. So when it comes to shares, you might have heard the terms subdivision of shares and consolidation of shares. But what are they and what is the difference between them? Subdivision is when a company divides its existing shares into a larger number of shares with a lower nominal value per share. So for example, a company can have an issued share capital of 1 million naira divided into 1 million shares at 10 naira each. Now, if the company wants to make the share more affordable so that many people can buy it, but without increasing the share capital, it would simply subdivide it. So now what the company would have is an issued share capital of 10 million naira divided into 10 million shares at 1 naira each. So if you notice, the total share capital remains unchanged, but the number of shares has increased. Now, what is consolidation? Consolidation is the exact opposite. So instead of you subdividing existing shares, you're now reducing the number of shares by combining multiple shares into fewer shares with a higher nominal value per share. So for example, if a company has an issued share capital of 10 million naira divided into 10 million shares at 1 naira each, if it wants to consolidate, what you now have is an issued share capital of 1 million naira divided by 1 million shares at 10 naira each. So if you feel the shares have been too cheap, or you want to make the share price more attractive to some niche investors, it's less frequent than subdivision, but it is an option nonetheless. Now, are there other methods of structuring a company's shares other than subdivision and consolidation? The answer is yes. You could increase the share capital, you could reduce the share capital, you could have a conversion of share classes, you can execute a share buyback to repurchase your own shares so that you reduce the number of shares in circulation, etc. But what makes these two methods stand out is that the other methods may not always preserve the share capital value. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and remember, stay lawful, stay informed.